Imagine typing just a few words and out comes a fully produced song. Not just a beat, not just a loop, I'm talking about a real song with lyrics, melody, vocals, instruments, the whole package. That's exactly what Suno AI promises, and today we're going deep into it. How it works, what it can do, and I'll even run a little experiment where we made some actual jingles for a video editing company, us. And trust me, the results were wild. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vitor from Vidpros, and if you're new here, we explore the tools shaping the future of creativity, and Suno is definitely one of those tools. So what exactly is Suno? It's an AI music generator that lets you create full songs just by typing a prompt. You can tell it the genre, the mood, even give it custom lyrics, and Suno will turn that into something that sounds like it came straight out of a professional studio. And the crazy part, you don't need to know music theory, you don't need to open up Logic, FL Studio, or any complicated software. All you need is an idea and a text prompt. What makes it special? Now this isn't just a single loops or royalty-free tracks. Suno actually generates instrumentals, vocals, harmonies, and polished production elements. So the songs feel complete. Sometimes they're shockingly good. Other times, well, you can still hear some of that AI weirdness. But either way, it's impressive and affordable, around $10 a month. Here's how it works in practice. When you log in, you see a text box that looks almost like ChatGPT. You type something like make a catchy pop song about morning coffee, 90s vibe, upbeat, 45 seconds long. You hit enter and less than a minute later, you get a full track with instruments and vocals. You can play it right there, download it, or regenerate a new version for variety. Think of it like text to image AI, but instead of picture, you get a song. The experiment, creating jingles with Suno. Now, here's where things get really fun. We decided to put Suno to the test with a challenge. Could it create commercial jingle for our video editing company? Here's what we did. Step 1. We came up with some simple, catchy lyrics. Just a few lines that talk about editing, saving time, and creating videos. Step 2. We plugged those lyrics into Suno, told it the style we wanted, and hit generate. And in under a minute, Suno gave us a jingle. Let me play you a sample.
I'll keep it you be easy to sing along with. You've been grinding all night, cutting frame by frame. Lost in the timeline, it all feels the same. But there's a better way, let me set it right. Upload your footage, wake up to the light. No more stress, no sleepless fight. We'll make your vision shine so bright. Consistency that never ends. Your secret weapon, your best friend. Vidpros, you film, we edit. Every cut's got your style in it. From YouTube dreams to agency gold. Vidpros magic. The story unfolds. Where to me? Whether shorts or shows, we've got your back. From creators on fire to brands on track. Fractional edits, a full-time feel. Quality crafted, the value is real. No freelancers ghosting, no agency games. It's pro-level edits that carry your name.
Okay, that's actually kinda catchy. It's not polished like a final studio mix, but imagine how useful this is for brainstorming. You get something that already sounds like a real song. But we didn't stop there. We tried a few variations. Different prompts, different vibes, just to see what Suno would do. Example 2.
You film, we edit, that's Vidpros. Turn your vision into videos. No more late nights cutting frame by frame. We've got the pros to carry your.
See what I mean? Each version feels different, but still has the same brand name and a hook. That's something that could take hours with a songwriter, and here we had it in seconds. Now, this is one of my favorite. Short, fun, and to the point. Perfect for a quick ad or intro. Example 3.
Late night stuck on your video, cutting clips but the pace is slow. There's a way to shine, everybody knows. Send it up to the team at Vidpros. Vidpros, that's how it goes. You film the story and we make it show. Vidpros, watch your channel grow. Edit with the best and let your style flow. No more stress, no endless roads, just pro level cuts where your vision glows. Vidpros, Vidpros, everybody knows.
So what's the verdict so far? The strengths: super easy to use, literally just type and go, full songs with vocals not just instrumentals, great for prototyping, jingles, intros, or even full tracks. Inspires creativity by giving you a fast starting point, but of course some weaknesses. Vocals can sound a little robotic at times, limited control compared to real music software, lyrics sometimes get mispronounced or phrasing feels odd, and technically you don't own it the way you would with a human-made track. There's no comparison to what human beings can actually do. We're all for human creativity. So who's this really for? I'd say content creators who need quick background tracks or jingles, marketers who want to test ideas before hiring a studio, or even musicians who need inspiration or rough demo but still want to work on their stuff and do a great job. It's not replacing human artistry, but it's definitely opening new doors and shortcuts. AI tools like Suno can make music in seconds. It's fast, it's fun, and it shows just how far technology has come. But when it comes to your content, your brand, your message, your voice, nothing replaces real people who understand your story. That's where Vidpros comes in. We're not just about editing videos. We're about helping you connect with your audience, keep them engaged, and make sure your content hits the right note every time. AI can be helpful, but our professional editors and designers bring the creativity, the polish, and the human touch that makes the difference. So if you want stress-free, high-quality video editing that elevates your brand, there's only one real option. Let Vidpros handle it. Schedule a consultation today and experience the difference for yourself. So that's Suno AI, a tool that can turn your words into music in under a minute. From fun jingles to full songs, it's given us a glimpse into the future of music and creativity. Now I want to hear from you. Would you ever use this for your projects, or does it feel too strange to let AI write your music? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive into creative tools. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye!